Good morning, it's Steve over Steve's Car Sales, and it is the week. The week I should do an update. So, first things first, a cup of coffee. Second thing, Matty's on the roof. Hello, Matty.
Hello.
So, lots going on. We've got a two-post ramp being delivered today. So, I've decided, as it's been installed tomorrow, we should sort the roof of where it's going. Otherwise, it won't fit. So, I'll show you around. So going on in while Matty's on the roof taking off the guttering. So we have obviously concrete floor. Oh, hello. Guttering coming through. Work in progress. So yes, all this is fine. Obviously all the insulation, etc. has got to be done, but that's irrelevant because what we're doing is we're lifting this roof and changing it. So we get the two-post ramp in here. All the electrics, etc. have been done. Isolator switch over there, you see? It's all done, it's all fresh. And obviously that's going to be boarded out. So let me show you what's going to happen. So we are 6 hours in, and started off the structure, designed that, so we know exactly what we're doing. Redid everything, you see. So now, no roof because we're going high. And now it decides to rain while I'm on the roof. What the frig? What a day. What a view from a lovely rooftop. See? Lovely roof. Yeah. See? Apart from that wet bit, I got to sort that. It's wet on the roof. And then the beautiful view of the lake and Matty. Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
We're getting there. See? It's all coming up. Well, it's a rainy day. And yes, I'm in a random outfit now because I went to work. Yeah. Didn't quite finish the roof yesterday. They got absolutely soaked. So I quickly got home, changed, and I'll show you the progress.